Getting paid in dollars, euros, or pounds as a creator or an online entrepreneur is quite amazing. But the question is, how do you actually receive that money in your country? In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you open a foreign currency, whether it is USD, euro, or pounds, even a Nigerian bank account if you're not a Nigerian. So you can receive international payments directly from most platforms that pay globally. In case you have seen my face for the first time, welcome to my channel. My name is DoliveB. Here I share videos on content strategy, AI tools, and smart ways to grow on the internet. If this interests you, kindly hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Someone out there might need it. If you have any questions, kindly drop them in the comment section below this video. I will make sure I attend to your questions. And without any further ado, let's get into it. This is the app we'll be using to create our international foreign account, and the name of the app is Gray. So you just visit this website, gray.co. I'm going to put the link in the description box below this video. Also, you can access this from your mobile phone. It is very, very easy. We're going to click here. Get started is free to open a new account. The first step is to enter the country you live in. What country do you live in? I'm going to select Nigeria for me. So you can just go through this list to see if your country is listed there. If you're in Ghana, Algeria, or any of the countries listed here, so just choose your country and then you click on continue. All right, and then it's going to ask for this basic information to set up your account. So please input all this information here, especially your first name and your surname according to how you have it on your ID. If you're using a national ID card, voter's card, or any approved identity in your country, please make sure your first name, your middle name, and your surname is input here according to what you have there. So you're going to put your details, we'll fill up all these details, your gender, your email address, and then your phone number. If you're in another country, please input according to what we have here. If you're in South Africa, select South Africa. If you're in Zambia, select Zambia. So I'm going to pull out all these details, and then under this referral code, kindly input my referral code. I'll put it on the screen, or you find it in the description box. And then you click on continue. Now the next step is to create a password. So you're going to input your password here, and here we have the condition required for you to set up your password. It must have at least a lowercase letter, an uppercase, a number, a special character, and it must be at least 8 characters. So you just go ahead and input your password, confirm the password, then you click on I agree to terms of use and privacy. You can decide to choose this one or not, and then you click on continue. Now, having done that, the next step shows that you need to verify your email address. So an OTP will be sent to the email you provided while you were inputting your details. So I go to my email address and pick the OTP sent, and I come back to the Gray app to input it and then click on verify your account. So the next step is for us to select all we want to use Gray for. So you just go ahead and answer all these questions as it pops up here. I guess because of network, it's not coming up right now. So I'll just go ahead to click on this Gray logo to take me to my dashboard. Here I have my dashboard, and as you can see, you have access to 4 different accounts on this platform: United States dollars, British pound, euro, and Nigerian Naira. Now we're going to begin ID verification. This is important for you to enjoy or to start using this application. So I'll click on begin ID verification. So all you just need is to verify your identity, input all these details here, your street address, your country. Is already on Nigeria because that was what I selected at the beginning of this registration. I'll put in my state, city, postal code. Please check Google to get your postal code based on your location. Then you put your date of birth, your proof of address. Your proof of address type could be your bank statements, government issued documents, utility bill, or tax statement report. You can use any of this. In my own case, I use my utility bill. So after you must have done all this, okay, let me just try and put some details here to show you. So I'm just doing this for the purpose of this video. I'll just go ahead and upload my utility bill, and then I'll click on continue. You are almost there. Then you respond to this question. Do you identify as a politically exposed person? No. Are you a family member or close relationship? For me, it is no. And then I click on continue. To complete your KYC verification, you'll be required to upload a copy of your government issued ID, such as international passport, national ID, or your driver's license. So you click on begin identity verification. Then to take you to this page where you need to verify. So you just need to go ahead with the verification. It is simple. It will ask you for this document, any of the documents I specified. Then you're going to take a selfie of yourself. I won't be going further on this because I already have an account with them. So after you must have submitted your details to verify your identity, you will come over to your dashboard. Just click on the logo to take you back to the dashboard. So you click on account. You click on account, and under account you'll see this. Because you do not have any of these accounts at the moment, you're seeing all this. Then you scroll down to get your personal US bank account. Then you click on get your US bank account. This account is not verified. I mean, the KYC is not updated. I said earlier that I already have an account with them. It will look like I'm trying to create a duplicate account, so I won't be going further on this. But let me just show on this part. Once you click here, you see get your US bank account for US. Then on this part, this tab you have here, we have USD, GBP, we have Euro and Nigerian. So you just click on each of these tab to get accounts on them. Okay, I hope you get it. So if you need a UK account, just click on this. You get your personal UK bank account. Then you click on get your UK bank account. You click on Euro to get your Euro bank account, and then you click on Nigeria to get your Nigerian bank account. I'm going to log into my main account so I can show you how it looks like. So as you can see, I've logged on successfully to my main account. To view your account details for each of this currency, you click on account, then you scroll down. You can see your US bank account details is this. So this is my account number, and this is my ACH routing. You will find details pertaining to your bank account. If it is needed at any point in time, you can always come here to view it, and you can view the bank name when you click on it right here. So the same goes to other bank accounts we have here. If I click on this one now, you will see my UK bank accounts. The same thing. I have my account name, the account number, the IBAN, and all of that. Then I have my Euro accounts like that, and I also have my Nigerian account. Can you see? I hope you found this helpful. It is pretty easy. Please share this video with someone you feel needs it. I appreciate the likes. I appreciate your comments. I appreciate your support so far. Let me share with someone that needs this. And please do not forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions. And please subscribe to join the family so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Don't forget to smash that like button too. I'll see you later.